Meaning of good time.
Good time.
Good time.
Good time.
Good time. The term good time refers to a state of enjoyment, pleasure, or happiness. It generally relates to engaging in activities that bring joy and satisfaction. These activities can vary widely, from spending time with loved ones, to pursuing hobbies and interests, to simply relaxing and taking care of oneself. Ultimately, the concept of a good time is subjective and highly personal, as it depends on individual preferences and circumstances. However, the common thread is that experiencing a good time can have many positive benefits, such as reducing stress, improving mental health, and building stronger relationships.